Hello students. So today I am going to teach you science of class 5th, and the next chapter in your book is communicable diseases. In the previous chapter we have studied about the diseases that cause due to the deficiency of some nutrients in the diet of a person. In this chapter we will study about different kinds of diseases that are caused by very small microorganisms. Such microorganisms that cause diseases are called germs. These germs are of many types. These germs can spread from one a disease person through air, water, or direct contact to a healthy person. Therefore, such diseases are called communicable or infectious diseases. So let us study more about it. Communicable diseases generally caused by germs. Germs are disease-causing microbes. Spreading germs through direct contact. When an infected person coughs or sneezes, the germs causing the disease are released into the air, and when an infected person, food and water that have been left uncovered attract flies. Flies carry germs on their bodies and pass them onto the uncovered food and water when they sit on them. Mosquitoes and some other insects can transmit germs through their bite. When a mosquito bites a person with malaria, it sucks germs along with the blood. Let us discuss about some communicable diseases. Common cold, cough, sore throat, runny nose, fever. Regular hand washing and keeping away from the infected person. Pneumonia, cough, fever, shaking, chills, and shortness of breath. Treatment with antibiotics. Tuberculosis, fever, chills, night sweats, loss of appetite, weight loss, weakness, continued cough, chest pain. Treatment with antibiotics. Antibiotics, substances that can kill disease-causing organisms. Preventing communicable diseases. Hygiene may be defined as a practice that helps to ensure cleanliness and good health. We should eat clean and healthy food. We should not eat uncovered fruit from roadside vendors. We should wash our hands, brush our teeth, and bathe daily. We should always eat food from clean utensils and clean hand. We should not drink unclean water. We should not allow water to collect in and around our homes. Mosquito breed in stagnant water. We should keep our surroundings clean to control flies. We should throw garbage in dustbins. We should stay away from infected people as much as possible. Some communicable diseases can also be prevented by vaccination. Vaccination is the use of a special substance called vaccines to prevent specific diseases. Vaccines help to build up resistance in the body. Most vaccines are given to children when they are very young.